Alright, so I'm recording in 4K 30 frames per second, and this is a audio test of the microphone that's recording me on the camera. So it is a little bit breezy, so if there's any wind it should pick it up. But yeah, this is what the microphone sounds like, and then this is 4K in 30 frames per second. Hopefully you guys can hear me pretty well. So overall, I think this camera is pretty interesting for what it has to offer. It's definitely unique in what it does. And to be completely honest, I don't think this is, for everyone, or, will replace like a GoPro or something. Even though it has lots of features and comes with great accessories like this remote release and the app, make it convenient, the picture quality itself is definitely a little bit lacking. So the 4K 30 is definitely the best resolution, at least what I could tell. And the rest of them okay, and the lower you go, the worse it gets. So the 1080 was okay, the 2.7 is decent, and the 4K 60 is okay, but I wouldn't use it myself. So I think this is great for somebody that needs two hands when they're doing something and you need to record it, like cooking, maybe repairing something, showing something, like in a pinch where it's hard to get anything else as a first person view. This thing really shines in that area. So I can definitely see myself using this if I was going to do a video where I needed two of my hands and I was in a weird situation, because no matter where you move your head, this thing will go with you, and that could be quite important when you're filming something that's difficult to film.